going on out there, YouTube fam? It's your boy, TitanicFeet Jack, back at you again with another video. Of course, we got that heat on deck today. But before we get into that, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. What's going on with y'all? How y'all doing? Thank you for coming back. We're on the charge to 2K subscribers, guys. So continue to liking the video and all that good stuff and sharing it and welcoming more members to the family. And if this is your first time seeing one of the videos here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to continue coming back, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I load up a video here on YouTube. And I need everyone to smash that like button. Let's go ahead and make the YouTube algorithm go crazy on this video. The more you do it, the more it reaches more subscribers, more views, and welcome more members to the family. Now, enough with all that talking. Let's get into today's shoe. Today's shoe comes from across that water. This was an overseas only release. This did not release in the United States. If you can see the box, it's kind of familiar. We've been getting this box. We got this box a couple times this year. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. We got this box about 4 times this year with the split. You have the cement print right here on one side. You solid on the other. Courtpurple Jordan Jumpman. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Air Jordan 3 Retro Color Black Courtpurple Cement Gray. Size 9. This is definitely not my pair. And there's no price sticker on here because no U.S. price sticker on here because this was not purchased in the U.S. I purchased this online. Came from across that water. And you look at the box. Got that orange Jordan right under here. Let's go ahead and open the box. Flip the lid. Yes, we have the QC stamp right here. Come from across there. And let's look at it. You got that cement paper. And you have more tissue. Got that white tissue. And here we go. We have these Jordan 3 Retros. The Phoenix Suns colorway. When those first leaked, the pictures of these first leaked, a lot of people were saying this would be a Los Angeles Lakers release. But it is not. It's more like a Phoenix Suns. I'm going to get the other sneaker out of the box. Give y'all a 360 view of this sneaker. And we're going to get to talking about this sneaker. You know, we're going to wrap a little Q&A. Be back with you. Okay, guys, we have the Air Jordan Courtpurple 3s. Yeah, I bought this because I bought this from across the water because it was not available here in the U.S. However, my size 15 in retro 3s is what I wear. I wear a size 15 in retro 3s. The size was not available, and I wanted to bring this review to you guys, so I selected this size, a U.S. size 9. The upper, you know, there's leather. You have your best leather per se on your retro threes, and it's pretty much the same, but you have that matte look, that matte finish of your black leather up here, where versus right here you actually have a shinier coat of leather, and it's soft, kind of soft. You got your purple eyelid, your coat purple eyelid up here, and your coat purple eyelids here, excuse me. And you got your three black eyelids right there with that cement gray drop off right there. You got your cement at the heel and the toe as well on your upper. Midsole, cold purple midsole. You know how retro threes are, cold purple, followed by that white, going around your air housing, clear bubble, white air system on the inside. And at the bottom, you have that gray. You have gray at the very bottom, which leads to the outsole. Looking at the outsole of the sneaker, you have Jordan spelled out in cold purple, and you have that cold purple hit right here. You have a gray outsole with a hit of that team orange right here at the rear. Looking at the rear of the sneaker, you have a Jordan Jumpman with the Air on the back. Is the not come with Nike Air on the back, like a lot of people wish they had. But we got that cold purple Jordan Jumpman, Air in the team orange lettering on top of the black. It's very stiff. You got that cold purple going around up here and down here, and your midsole with the white and the gray. Looking at the inside, it's basically your retro 3 silhouette, different colorways. Kind of hard to mess up a 3. Comment below, let me know what you guys think of this sneaker right now. Did you cop? Did you attempt to and took that L? And are you looking to get a pair on the secondary market? Well, looking at the upper, you got that matte looking finish. Nice leather though, nonetheless. And even softer grain of leather going around your mud guard. Midsole, again, that white with the cold purple. You got the white going around your air housing with the clear bubble with the white inside of your air system. And you have a hit of that team orange down at the very bottom right there. And on the heel and the full front toe area, you have a hit of gray at the very bottom. Looking at the toe box, you can see this. Hold on, let's get this shoe tree out of here so we can see how this leather is. Looking at your cardboard shoe tree, Jordan Jumpman, size 9 to 9.5. Your regular Jordan cardboard shoe tree. And let's look at this leather. Seems like a decent grain of leather. It may not look as exciting or has as much sizzle because it has that matte finish. I'm trying to think what other Jordan we had with black on it that gave that matte looking finish. Yeah, those University Gold 12s come to mind with that finish. And those Jordan 1s, that Pine Green 2.0 that came out earlier this year, like February or something. Those are two sneakers that come to mind that had that matte black looking finish on the leather. But that's what you have here on the toe box. You have that gray leather. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Going up the tongue. And it starts right here and it goes back to some nice, ooh, Lord. Some nice soft black leather. You have your Jordan Jumpman coat purple with that orange trim behind there. And Jordan is, yes, Lord. I'm not going to say that this is a family show. But the Jordan Jumpman is definitely growing. Maybe he had a great Thanksgiving meal. Comes with black flat laces. These are the only laces these come with. Let's go ahead and look behind the tongue. You have that team orange behind the tongue. It says U.S. size 9. Production date April the 1st of this year to May 27th of this year. So you had about a month and a half, 2 months of productions on these. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think of these. We have a gray sock liner, kind of smooth material. And let's go ahead and look inside. You have a Team Orange insert with a coat purple Jordan Jumpman. Yes, the coat purple 3s. It's not a bad shoe. And if you wanted these and we're trying to get them on the secondary market, I don't believe the prices are bad right now. The last time I checked, for the reasonable or more popular sizes, I should say. My size, nonetheless, is not worth it. I think last time I checked my size, it was hitting for about 400 plus. This shoe is not worth that, in my opinion. That's where you have to have restraint, because sneakerheads, you be wanting to get the shoes and all that good stuff, bring reviews to your audience, but it comes at a cost. And sometimes you gotta have restraint. You don't need every shoe for your collection. But I got this to bring this review to you guys, and I will be selling this, and I have one of my viewers in mind when I purchased this shoe. I was able to purchase this manually. Didn't need a robot or anything. It was a fairly easy purchase for me online. But tell me what you think of this sneaker in the comment section. Let me know what you think of the video, guys. And let's continue growing on that charge to 2K subscribers. We're going to do another giveaway when we get to 2K subscribers. I hope you guys were able to participate in the 1K giveaway. Congratulations again to that winner. And closing, like I always tell y'all, if y'all can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting the sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack. I'm signing out.